Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to fix Messenger floating video call not working. Firstly, you need to go ahead and press and hold the Messenger on your Android phone. Now you need to tap on App Info. Once you enter on the messages, then tap on Permissions. Make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So just go ahead and tap one by one and allowed all the permissions. Once you finish allowing all the permissions, now you need to go back to App Info. Scroll down and tap on Display over other apps. Now you need to toggle on. Now again you need to go back and tap on Picture in Picture. Now you need to toggle on in order to access the floating video call on your Android phone. And this allows you to fix Messenger floating video call. If you are still not getting floating video call on your device, then you need to tap on Settings. Scroll down and you need to go to Notifications. Now you need to tap on Bubbles. You need to toggle on this bubble and again you need to go back, tap on App Settings. Again you need to tap on Messenger and here you need to enable all the notifications, and after that your Messenger floating video call will start working. So this is how you can fix Messenger floating video call not working. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.